Welcome to DIY Shop, and today I'm going to show you that if your washing machine drain out kit is leaking, what to do. So I've got a bucket first to collect the water, and then what I want to say is, although it looks like it's leaking from down here, it's actually coming from up here. And what that generally means is that it just needs a service and a clean out, which I'm going to show you how to do that. You can tighten the Jubilee clip up a little bit, but really that's not going to be the issue. It's going to be like a blockage along here somewhere. So before I can do anything, I have to wait for the washing machine to stop. Once that stops, then I can film part 2 and then go through what we need to do. So thanks for watching, and please wait for part 2. Welcome to DIY Shop, and this is part 2 on how to clean and service your washing machine drain out kit. Okay, so the washing machine has finished its cycle, so it's safe to carry it out. I've dried these parts here and then done a marker with a felt tip, so I know exactly how that's going to go back. So what we do is first is undo this Jubilee clip here. Okay, so I'm going to undo that, pull that hose out. Okay, and then what we do is undo this here, and then what we can do is undo that part there, and then that. Okay, and then what we've got in here is the washer that faces downwards, dome shaped down, which goes on there like that, and then the spring in the center. So I'll show you how that goes back together. So, but basically it will be like that, but let's give that a good clean out. Undo this elbow. Okay, so if we just give that a good clean out there on all those parts, and then just make sure around the O-ring there it's clean and that's cleaned out, and the same here around this washer, that all that is clean, and clean out all that, and the same with this one. So it was a lot worse than this, but I've already given it a clean out, and I'll just show you guys what you need to do. And then in here, I will check in here that that is clear, because that could give you trouble as well, any blockages. And if you did this once a year as a part of your maintenance, then that would be fine. So let's start. Okay, so let's start with the elbow going back. So if we go anti-clockwise first, just to find the thread, and then clockwise. Okay, and then that's pretty good. And then this part here, as I say, so what we do is we put the spring in the middle, push that down, and then your damper in there. Actually, before that, what we do is we'll put your washer dome shaped downwards on the top there, press that down, and then straight into the middle there. And just to make sure that's working fine, if you press it up and down, it should be springing back like so. And then what we do is that part there, actually that's got a little bit of A bit of dirt there, but let's just give that another clean. 1 second. There's a little bit in there. So, as I say, there's always them little bits that will come up and that you just need to sort of check on. So there you go, that's a lot better there. And then what we do is make sure again that's spring loaded. Okay, and just locate that centre onto there like that. That's it. And then what we do is tighten that up here, and then so that's lined up there. And then what we do is anti-clockwise first and then clockwise to find the thread. Okay, and then line that up like so, and then attach your washing machine drain hose, and then tighten up the Jubilee clip. Okay, and then what I would suggest is let your washing machine run for a cycle and then check for leaks. Always check for leaks. But these are all lined up. The Jubilee clip is done, so it should be fine, but always check for leaks. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please let me know.